Hello, welcome back to How to Cook Great. Hope you're fine. Look, we're going to make a really simple salad today, 3-bean salad. I'm using red kidney beans, chickpeas and black beans. I'm using mine from a can. If you're going to do that, give them a nice wash through in some cold water. Okay, 1 cup of corn, half a cup of cucumber, half a cup of carrots, half a cup of onion. Really simply, all in a bowl. We're going to give it a little mix. Now think about adding some bell peppers or some green onions or some other type of vegetable. I'm just going with this today. Really, really simple. We're also going to make a really easy dressing, very, very simple indeed. I've got about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using this nut oil and I'm using vinegar today at equal amounts. If you don't want to use vinegar, you can use lemon juice, no problem. 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, cumin and chili powder, and then I'm going to add a little bit of fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, in the mix. Very simply, give that a little mix up just for a few seconds, pour that over your salad, job done. It's very easy, it's beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.